So let's go to the Igbo pre-colonial days. The Igbo pre-colonial administration was never centralized. It was a fragmented political system of government, meaning that power and authority was shared among the people. All right? The Igbo society was called an archifedial society, meaning that there was what was called a direct democracy. The Igbos participated in direct democracy. The people participated in the government themselves. That's why the Igbos pride that they are the ones that taught the world democracy and not the Greeks. And if you check well, there's an element of truth in it. Now listen, let me tell you something. The head of the Igbo pre-colonial days was the Okpara. The Okpara. Now you had the Ofo title holders and also title holders. You had the 8th grade, which were like the army, and you had the Umuada. The Igbos are always giving voice to women. So don't mind anybody saying the Igbos don't respect women. And now listen. Each family had an or 4 title holders. Each of family have 4 title holders. The oldest of that of 4 title holders is who becomes the Okpara. The 4 title holders makes up the council of elders. The oldest of them becomes the Okpara. Now the Okpara preside over the meeting in the council, but the Okpara cannot tell them what to do. He can't tell them what to do. So when Lord Lugard came, he thought it was like a free ride in the north or in the southwest. So when he held the Okpara responsible, the Okpara called the people and said, hey, you are going to be paying tax. The Igbo said, no, we can't pay tax. The sun is ours, the water is ours. Why can't we pay to a white man? All right. And now Lord Lugard was so terrified and he said, why come these people do not respect their leaders? How come these people have a mind of their own? Okay, so the Igbos participated directly in government. So indirect rule never worked in the southeast. It never worked because they, unlike northerners, did not see their leader as someone who had a divine right to govern. They saw him as a man themselves, someone who can be influenced, someone who can change their mind. How was laws made in the Igbo pre-colonial days? The council of elders can make laws. The 8th grade can also make law, and the council of elders will accept it. So far, it within the frame of the core transition of the people. Do you understand? So now, Lord Lugard could not enjoy themselves. That is why about women riots still remain one of the highest riots in West Africa, because these people were able to revolt, and that was why the white men never liked them. They never enjoyed them, because these people dared to say, no, we will not be subdued. Listen, I am not trying to present any ethnic group to be more superior or inferior to another. I am telling you what was factual and how it was before. All right, so we must tell ourselves that we are not one people in this country. We are different people. That's why we try to promote unity in diversity, because we are different nations. We are micro nations trying to create a mega nation. Okay, because the Igbo is a nation, the Hausa Fulani is a nation, the Yoruba is a nation. So we must tell ourselves the truth that we are different people. Only then that we can create the consciousness of tolerating one another. Yes, we must tell ourselves the truth that we are different people. All right, only then we can tolerate one another, because for a man to be an angel, he must first recognize the fact that he's a demon. All right, so know who you are. Let no one deceive you. Africa, Nigeria. Wisdom is the principal thing.